Spring is in full swing, and you know what that means. The days are getting longer, the temperatures are rising, and in just a few short weeks, we'll be heading into the warmer months of summer. Summer is one of the best times of year. Children are out of school. It's the perfect time to explore the great outdoors. And of course, everyone's favorite, good old summer vacation. After the freezing temperatures of winter and the unpredictability of spring, you and your family are probably more than ready for the warm summer weather. But the question is your home? Here are 5 tips to get your home ready for warmer weather. 1. Get your AC checked. The summer heat is great for beach days and splashing in the pool. But when you're done enjoying the sunshine, you'll want to open the door to a nice, cool interior. But if your air conditioner isn't working properly, you can quickly find yourself with no escape from the rising temperatures. The best time to get your air conditioning in working order is before summer hits. Start by changing out the filters. Dirty filters make it harder for your AC unit to do its job. Lower the efficiency of your air conditioning system and waste energy. After you replace the filters, let your air conditioning system run for an hour or so to see how it's cooling. A test run will give you insight into any potential problems you need to have serviced. You should have an HVAC professional service your air conditioning system once a year. Even if you don't notice any obvious problems, servicing your AC annually will keep it running better for longer. Spring is the best time of year to get your AC service. Once summer hits, most HVAC companies are booked solid through the summer months, and the last thing you want is to find yourself in the thick of summer with a broken air conditioning system and no relief from the heat. 2. Switch out your gear. Each season required a completely different set of tools, gear, furniture, and decor. To avoid clutter, it's best to store these items when they're not in use. If you're storing your seasonal items, you'll need to switch everything out as summer approaches, so you have everything on hand you need to enjoy the season. Put your patio furniture out in the backyard so it's ready for when you entertain guests. Check your grill to make sure it's in working order and ready for summer BBQs. Switch out those heavy winter comforters with lightweight quilting that's more appropriate for summer weather. 3. Get your lawn up to speed. One of the best parts of summer is getting to enjoy time outside, often in your own backyard. But if you're like most people, your lawn could probably use a bit of TLC after the cooler months. Survey your property for any visible damage caused by winter weather. Check all playground equipment to make sure it's in good shape before the kids get out of school. Add a few new plants or flowers to add visual interest to the landscape. Your backyard will play host to many celebrations, playdates, and lazy evenings with your family this summer. In order to enjoy all the fun of summer fully, you want to make sure your lawn is in the best shape possible. 4. Plant a garden. Speaking of the backyard, there's no better time than summer to plant a garden. The warmer weather is the ideal time for a rainbow of vegetables to flourish, including beets, cucumbers, corn, tomatoes, peppers, and squash. If you're new to gardening, pick up a few raised garden beds and plant your seeds now. Before summer hits its peak, you'll be enjoying fresh vegetables straight from your garden. Perfect for a refreshing summer salad. 5. Get painting out of the way. If you've been thinking about painting the interior of your home, now is the time to do it. Painting only gets more challenging as the temperature rises. Since you'll need to have your windows open while you paint, AC isn't an option. Not only will the heat make painting feel more physically demanding, but humid weather can make the paint fumes feel more overwhelming. If you do decide to paint, consider some seasonally appropriate hues like gold or sky blue to bring the feeling of summer indoors. Summer will be here before you know it, and with these tips, your home will be ready for it.